everyone, myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Good morning, happy Saturday, have a pleasant day. Corona updates. India witnessed a spike of 276,110 fresh coronavirus cases on Thursday. However, the new infection count remained below the 3 lakh mark for fourth consecutive day. The total case load stands at 25 crore 7,72,440 according to the MOHFW. Meanwhile, India reported 3,874 new deaths, taking the death toll 2,87,122 with the 34,875 cases reported in the past 24 hours. Tamil Nadu is leading the state list. It is followed by the Karnataka with the 34,281 new infection. Maharashtra reported 34,031 cases, Kerala 32,762 and Andhra Pradesh 23,160 cases. The case count was 19,006 for West Bengal. The sixth most affected state by total cases are Maharashtra 5 crore 46,753, Karnataka 2,03,655, Kerala 2 crore 23,362, Tamil Nadu 1 crore 69,925, Uttar Pradesh 1 crore 64,481 and New Delhi 1 crore 40 lakh 6,719. Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy, lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800-258-7060. Impressive health benefit of onion. Onion are members of aluminum genus of flavoring plants that also include garlic, shallot, leeks and chives. This vegetable contains various vitamins, mineral and protein plant compounds that have been shown to promote health in many ways. In fact, the medical properties of onion have been recognized since ancient time when they were used to treat ailments like headache, heart disease and mouth sore. Here are 9 impressive health benefits of onions. Packed with nutrition. Onions are nutrient dense, meaning they are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. One medium onion has just 44 calories but deliver a considerable dose of vitamin, mineral and fiber. The vegetable is particularly high in vitamin C, a nutrient involved in regulating immunity, health, collagen production, tissues repair and iron absorption. Vitamin C also acts as a powerful antioxidant in your body, protecting your cell against damage caused by unstable molecule called free radicals. Onions are also rich in vitamin B, including folate B9 and peroxide B6, which play a key role in metabolism, red blood cell production and nerve function. Lastly, they are good source of potassium, a mineral in which many people are lacking. In fact, the average potassium intake of Americans is just over half the recommended daily value DV of 4,700 mg. Normal circular function, folate balance, nerve transmission, kidney function and muscle construction all require potassium. Summary: onions are low in calories yet high in nutrition, including vitamin C, B vitamin and potassium. May benefit heart health. Onion contain oxidant and compound that fight inflammation, decrease triglycerides, and reduce cholesterol level, all of which may lower heart disease risk. Their potent anti-inflammatory properties may also help reduce high blood pressure and protect against blood clots. Quercetin is a flavored and antioxidant that highly constructed in onion. Since its potent anti-inflammatory, it may help decrease heart disease risk factors such as high blood pressure. A study in 70 overweight people with a high blood pressure found that a dose of 162 mg per day of quercetin rich onion extract significantly reduced systolic blood pressure by 3 to 6 mmHg compared to placebo. Onions have also been shown to decrease cholesterol level. A study in 54 women with polycystic ovarian syndrome PCOS found that consuming large amount of raw red onion 40 to 50 grams per day if overweight and 50 to 60 grams per day if obese for 8 weeks reduce total and bad LDL cholesterol compared to control group. Additionally, evidence from animal studies support that onion consumption may reduce risk factor for heart disease, including inflammation, high triglyceride level, and blood clot. Summary research shows that eating onion may help reduce heart disease risk factors such as high blood pressure and elevated triglyceride and levels and inflammation. Loaded with antioxidant. Antioxidants are compounds that inhibit oxidant, a process that leads to cellular damage and contributes to disease like cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. Onions are an excellent source of antioxidant. In fact, they contain over 25 different varieties of flavonoid antioxidant. Red onion in particular contain anthocyanins and a special plant pigment in Floridian family that give red onions their deep color. Multiple population studies have found that people who consumes more food rich in anthocyanins have a reduced risk of heart disease. For example, a study of 43,880 men showed that a habitual intake as high as 613 mg per day of anthocyanin were correlated to a rate of 40% lower risk of non-fatal heart attack. Have antibacterial properties. Onion can fight potentially dangerous bacteria such as Escherichia coli and E. coli. Easy to add your diet. Onions are stable in kitchens around the world. They give flavor to savory dishes and can and enjoyed either raw or cooked. Not to mention they can boost your intake of fiber, vitamins and minerals. Here are some tips on how to add onions to your diet. Use raw onion to add a kick of flavor to your guacamole recipe. Add caramelized onion to savory baked goods. Combine cooked onion with other vegetable for a healthy side dish. Try adding cooked onion to egg dishes such as omelette, fritters, or quench. Top meat chicken or tofu with sauteed onion. Add thinly sliced red onion to your favorite salad. Make a fiber-rich salad with chickpeas, chopped onion, and red pepper. Use onion and garlic as a base for stock and soup. Throw onion into stir fry dishes. Top tacos, fajitas and other Mexican dishes with chopped raw onion. Make a homemade salsa with onion, tomatoes and fresh cilantro. Uh, Prepare a hearty onion and vegetable soup. Add onion chili recipe for a flavor boost. Blend raw onion with fresh herb, vinegar and olive oil for a tasty homemade salad dressing. Onion can easily be added to savory dishes including eggs, komogol, meat dishes, soup and baked goods. Motion Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. We keep indoors when we dare to venture out. We are conscious of our neighbor. Smile, but in their eyes there is a reserve and suspicious. They keep their distance as we do ours, in mute accord. Much of our fear is unspoken, for there is a last weight of custom. The tender of rote consolation we endure thoughts of demands and measures a distance of death, death to wear a mask, but consider they may well be good. In our misfortune, if we can find it, it is hidden in the darkness of our fear. But discover it and see that it is hope, and more, it is the gift to opportunity. We have to rare chance to prevail, to pose a resolution for world renewal. We can be better than we have ever been. We can improve the human condition. We can imagine, then strive to realize our potential for goodness and normality. We can overcome patiently war and poverty. We can preserve our scared purpose. We can determine who we are in our essential nature and who we can be. We are committed to this end for our own sake and for the sake of those who will come after us. There is a better future and we can secure it. Let us take up the task and let us be the worthy of our best destiny. Scott Momende, Santa Fe NM. The writer is a novelist as well as a poet and won the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction in 1969 for House Maid of the One. SMS from News Movement. Self control is a strength, calmness is a mystery. You have get to a point where your mood doesn't shift based on the insignificant action of someone else. Don't allow to others to control the direction of your life. Don't allow your emotion to overpower your intelligence. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.